Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am going to show you some easy home updates with spray paint. So please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So first off, I'm going to show you a couple nozzles. You don't need a fancy spray paint holder. I'm going to show you the Comfort Grip in a minute, but the Rust-Oleum containers come with really nice nozzles, and as you see, it gives a nice light spray. So I just wanted you to see that. And the same here, Rust-Oleum and I believe Krylon paints have really thick nozzles so that you get better coverage on your products, and you'll see here it gives a nice light spray as well, so it's easy to use. And then I'm going to show you, I wanted to utilize the Comfort Grip spray paint holder. Now if you are doing a lot of projects or bigger projects like furniture, which I may show you in another video, this is something you definitely want. Your hand can kind of cramp if you're really spray painting for a long time and you're spray painting multiple items. So the Comfort Grip really helps. You just squeeze the two knobs on the side. It clamps down onto the rim of the spray paint bottle. You can shake it prior to or after like I'm doing. And the red portion right there, you just squeeze the red nozzle in the back of the Comfort Grip and it gives you nice even coats. It does work faster and better, but I will say your can of spray paint will run out a little faster too. So for our first project, I wanted to replicate these European style vases. I've seen them on a lot of European blogs on Instagram, and I really thought they were cute, modern, and simple. So I took some Dollar Tree vases and I just gave them a nice coat of the matte spray paint. As you see, I'm just using the nozzle on the can of spray paint here. I believe this is Krylon. They have a nice matte option for anyone looking. And I just gave them a good coat. I gave them two coats actually because the white was a little see-through with the glass too. Here's the finished result. They turned out really good, and I just put a little piece of pampas grass in there. The next item is a clear glass vase I found on clearance at Target for about $7. Definitely retails for way more. And this actually belongs to a client, and they wanted to cover up the bottom of the faux hydrangeas. They didn't like seeing the stems. So I did a very popular crate and barrel dupe right now. You know, I'm sure people have been doing this forever. But you just tape off half of the glass and use a bag to cover the top so you don't have to just tape it all off. And now this tape was not my favorite tape. As you saw in my Target planter video, the tape just wasn't sticking to anything and it didn't leave clean lines. So I am going to seal it with a little bit of acrylic, clear acrylic, just to help the black paint that I'm going to paint this with stick better and then also not bleed through the tape. And here you might catch them using the Comfort Grip clip-on just to help get even coats. And here's the final results. And the next project is this tray from Target. It's from Project 62. It's a really beautiful taupe actually, but my client and I decided that we needed it to be black in order to fit her space, which is gray, black, and white. So we are going to spray paint it, and again I'm going to use the Comfort Grip to get even strokes and good coverage on this particular piece. And I style it at the end of the video with some toiletries and other necessities from the bathroom. And this turned out really well too. There's my little planter for my Target video. And I want to thank you all for joining me. I hope I inspired you to get spray painting because it's really easy. Bye.